coach, a point here, but I think it's a disappointing performance from the team. Noting that the amount of chances you created, you should have easily put away this game from the first half.
I wouldn't agree with the disappointment of the game. What I'm disappointed with is we created a number of chances. We've been practicing all week, all season. This has been our Achilles tendon. Not scoring. We brought in some players to score, but I think it's a work in progress. We can't hang our heads down. We just have to continue working hard in front of the goal, and I think very soon the goals will come.
Yes, coach. This has been plaguing you much of the season, though. Or you start it up before the next stage?
As I said, we just have to continue working because finishing is a thing. You don't come overnight. It takes practice, and you have some people that are natural goal scorers like Colorado Murray and Nicholas Hamilton. And I think going forward, I myself will take them up personally and show them the art of goal scoring. Hopefully that can work.
But definitely this is something sorted out. I believe we can get you moving up the club.
Yeah, definitely, because if you really watch our last couple of games, we haven't been conceding. And if you're not conceding and you're scoring a 1 goal or a 2 goal a game, you're going to get 3 points. So I think we have fixed the defending. It's time to fix the attack now.
But I believe in the strike force, the personal.
Yeah, definitely. I can't go and turn my back on my players. My players work very hard, every day in training. And I think as a former goal scorer, I think if I can bring my 2 or 3 cents to the table to them and getting them understanding what it takes to score, because when you play and you worry about scoring, you will never score. And I think that is what plaguing my team. Miss a 1 chance and it just become 2 and 3, and then the ball not going in, so everybody getting frustrated. So I think that we need to just calm down and have a little bit more composure in front of the goal. And I think after the goals will come.
But as I say, Murray